McKinley the Baker by Jasmine Julius. Hi, my name is McKinley, and today I am pretending to be a baker. A baker is a person who bakes things like breads, cakes, and cookies. A baker uses different ingredients and mixes them all together to make beautiful and tasty sweet treats. My favorite sweet treat is cupcakes. What's your favorite sweet treat? Today, I am going to practice being a baker with my mommy. We are going to make cupcakes. Yummy! But first, we have to take a trip to the grocery store to get all of the ingredients. Want to come? All right, let's go. As we entered the store, I looked up at Mommy and said, "We need 11 items, right, Mommy?" "Yes, we do," my mommy replies. We went down the different aisles and grabbed everything we needed. I helped my mommy by placing everything in the cart. Now, it's time to head to checkout so Mommy can pay for all of our items. On the way back home, I thought of all the different colors that I wanted to make the icing. I want pink and red. What colors would you like on your cupcakes? Once we returned home, we took everything out of the car and headed straight to the kitchen. I wanted to start right away, but my mommy reminded me that I had to wash my hands first. Now, let's take out the bowls, mixer, and spoons. Next, we'll heat up the oven. By the time we mix all of the ingredients for the cupcakes, it will be nice and hot. My mommy checks her list to make sure that we have all of the ingredients out and ready to use. I help my mommy by grabbing the bag of flour from the other counter. Just as I was turning around, thump! The flour dropped on the floor. Oh no! Now there's flour everywhere. What if there's no more flour? Are we still going to make cupcakes? Oh man, I really want cupcakes. I grabbed the broom to clean up my mess, and my mommy asked, "What happened?" I told her that I didn't mean to drop the bag of flour on the floor. I just wanted to help. Don't worry, McKinley. Accidents happen. We will clean up the mess together. And yes, we can still make cupcakes, said Mommy. Yes, we can still make cupcakes. Yippee! After cleaning up the spilled flour, we got back to work. First, I put on my torque. That's a baker's hat. Then, I took out the cupcake pan. Next, we started mixing all of the ingredients together. While my mommy continued to mix the cupcake batter, I put the cupcake liners on the pan. Now, it's time to set the timer. This helps us determine how long we should keep the cupcakes in the oven. It seems like this may take a while. What should I do while I wait? Playing with toys sounds like fun. Let's go. Once I took off my torque, I started pulling my toys from out of the toy chest. While I was playing, I could smell the cupcakes, and boy, did they smell good. I ran in the kitchen and asked my mommy, "Are the cupcakes done yet?" "Not yet, sweetie. They'll be ready in 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Aw, man, I want them to be ready now. But I guess I will just have to wait," said McKinley.